Vladimir, are we in the test room for engineering products? Yes. We need to test those hoses. Yes, we have here special stands for this. And what will we check them for? First, we'll check how they stretch. There is a special stand for this. Good afternoon. Which we'll use to check it. What is the load for this exact hose? For this hose, we must have a load of 20 kilograms. Well, it's not much. Why is it so? Well, according to Ghost, that is not to say that this hose will be used like a tow rope. No, no. It has some maximum load. What is the maximum load this machine can create? This machine can create a load of 30 tons. 30 tons? Yes. Wow. It's kind of small. Well, small, but strong. Yes. The hose withstood a load of 20 kilograms perfectly. It only stretched like a string, but didn't get any visible damage. However, it is interesting how much are the requirements of Ghost overestimated. Simply put, what load will break it? We couldn't resist this temptation to check it with such a machine. It seems to be doing fine. I think we'd better step aside. Yes, of course. This hose tore at a load of 368 kilograms. And in the state standard, it is declared to be only 20. It turns out that it's 18 times stronger.